am Elena and welcome to Ambitious Elle Patterns. In this tutorial, we will sew a turtleneck bodysuit. You can find this pattern and many more at our website. Shall we begin?
Fold the trim in the middle and sew, then cut the remaining fabric. Separate the trim in 4 equal parts and mark with pins. Now match the pins from the trim to the marks on the back part of the body, on the sides, on the bottom, on the top. Add more pins in between if you need to. Then we will sew. Cut vertically on the bottom and on the top of the heart for better fitting. Now looking on the right side, fold the trim inside and pin. Then top stitch, looking at the right side of the fabric. Match the front with the back part, right sides facing inside. Sew at shoulders, you can use a serger as well. Fold the collar and sew. Now fold again to shape the turtleneck and sew. Pin the collar to the body, making sure the back seam of the collar matches the center back of the body. Then sew. Turn the body inside out so that you are looking the wrong side and do the side seams. Then wear the bodysuit for some fitting. If it fits you perfectly, then cut the elastic exactly as the pattern on your hip, from one mark to the other. If it is loose, then cut the elastic shorter. You might feel it a little tight, and that's okay. Pin the elastic from one mark until the other. If you have cut it shorter, share evenly. Turn your stitch to zigzag and looking at the wrong side, sew the elastic to the body. Repeat for the other side as well. Now fold inside, turn the stitch back to regular and sew. Double fold the bottom back and the bottom front and sew. For the closure, we will use 2 pairs of snaps. Unbutton them from their package and match them with bottom back and bottom front. Then hand sew them. Now fold the armhole inside and pin, then sew. It is advised to use a double needle because this way the fabric will keep its elasticity and the stitch will remain safe every time you wear the bodysuit or take it off. Repeat for the other side. And then your bodysuit is ready. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.